this video I'm gonna show you how to activate and use clipboard for the keyboard on your Nokia X20. So in order to do that, we'll need to open any app that allows our keyboard to pop up. In this example, I will use Google. Then click on this icon right here. It's the clipboard icon. Select the turn on clipboard. And from here you can already paste all of this text right here. You can also press on this pen and select any words or sentences you want to delete. And of course you can add your own words and sentences to the clipboard itself. So let's just do that. I'm gonna write elephant, hold my finger onto it, click copy, and now go back to our clipboard. And as you can see, I can paste the recent copied text like elephant. You can do it with multiple sentences, words, etc. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.